All right, ladies and gentlemen, the T-Maxx Pro 15 is ready to go. It's all fit. Got it all figured. She's running great. I lean it out. I fully lean it out. I lean out the low speed needle and lean out the high speed needle. And she's good to go. But don't want to lean it out too much. See? There you go. Running good. If you lean it out too much, you'll burn the motor up. Wheel is off. Yeah. It's shipping a little too early, but I'm adjust later, make it ship later. What's up, Jessica Alba? How you doing, Jessica Alba? I got my old Traxxas T-Maxx Pro 15 back. Here it is. 2000 Traxxas T-Maxx Pro 15, baby. It came out in 1999, but I got mine in 2000, this 2000. This truck 18 years old, y'all. Is off. It goes about 40 miles per hour, 35 to 40 miles per hour. This old school. This T-Maxx Pro 15, it's an old truck, y'all, and I love it. I'm glad she's back. Yeah, I said it right. This is third gear right here. This is third gear. This is slipper clutch right here. So I tighten the slipper clutch to make the truck move. This is throttle wash. See, I bent it up like this. This is an airplane throttle wash, but I made it. Yeah, I fixed it. That's how I do it, man. Now, all it needs is a new carburetor and new reverse servo. And then I'm thinking about putting 4 new tires in this, restore it, and I'm gonna put a new I'm gonna put this new this one, you put the body in, put the clips in, it's been flipped. So I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna restore the truck, and that's about it. I'm gonna upgrade it. I'm gonna make the truck look bling bling. I'm thinking I'm gonna change the shocks, but right now I'm gonna leave it as it is. She's running good now. The THROTTLE Pro 15, she's running good. But I'm gonna change the glow plug, buy more car fuel, and that's about it. I'm almost out of gas. Yeah, no, it's another one. Yep, wash my shit. Good move, good move. I didn't see that truck. Dude, why the hell you stop in the middle of the road like that? You know better than that. Come on, man, get out the way. You saw that? I almost hit that car too. But that was my fault. Anyway, I'm about to run out of gas in a minute. But she's ready to go, boys. Look, she's ready to go. I gotta put the damn filter on it so it won't get the carburetor dirty, and that's about it. Jessica Alba. The steering servo's weak. I think I gotta change the AA batteries. Almost out of gas. Yeah. My favorite truck, T-Maxx. Ooh, that's all. Yeah, it ran out of gas. That's it. It ran out of gas, boys. She's good to go. Come on, Sor. I need you, Jessica Alba. I need you. Now. Come on. Start. Come on. Yeah. Come on, Sor. I need you, Jessica Alba from the Fantastic Four. I need you. Now. Come on, start. Out of gas. That's it, boys. The T-Maxx Pro 15 is back. Now I'm gonna get my 2018 Ford Shelby F-150 Super Snake 2004 Ford F-250 Harley Davidson, black and orange with an 8-foot long bed, power stroke 6.0 liter turbo diesel V8 with the clearance lights. Right now, let's race.